today's episode. I'm going to be attempting to clean my dad's 325 exhaust tips, and mine needs a touch up, so I'll touch mine up with some Autosol. It's the best stuff for cleaning metals, so most people recommend it for cleaning tips. I've used it before on my Polo. I had a power flow exhaust system on it, and I used this stuff and it came out banging, so I'm hoping it will clean these up. I'm not too fussed, and my dad's not too fussed, so that doesn't do a lot. Oh well. But on mine it's in a lot better condition than those, so if these don't come up decent, at least mine will come up decent. I'm not doing the inside of the tip, I don't think, 'cause it's just coked up to hell, but at least tidy up the tip itself. So the Autosol, I got it from Wilco. Get rid of that crap. You can get it from Halfords as well, but I get it from Wilco because it's £4, whereas Halfords is £7, so I'd rather not. I'd rather just go Wilco and save £3 for the same freaking tube. So it's pretty easy to work with. You just put a blob on there, use an applicator pad or a microfiber cloth or a rag. Well, they suggested a rag, but I'm not using a rag. Rub it in, hope for the best. I don't know how many coats or applications it's going to need for that, but on my Fiesta should come up decent with just probably about that much, whereas these I might be here all day, so I'm going to save myself some first. But to show how decent it is, I'm hoping these come up really good, just to prove how good this stuff is. So I'd recommend gloves, because I've used it before and it just makes your hands proper grey from all the really fine cut bits of metal that comes off into your hands. Not good. So yeah, I'll crack on with starting with the Zimmer tips. I'm just gonna put a little bit on. Hopefully it cleans it up a little bit. It's already cleaned it up a fair amount, so I don't know how long or how far out this sticks out the bumper, I don't know, but I'll try and clean this bit the most, and obviously the actual rolled bit, because that'll be on the side. So I'm just going to run this under the tabs just to get the excess off. I'd say that's loads better than it was. You can see there. And the tips a bit better. I think it mounts this way, I'm guessing. So yeah, I just do what I did to this on this one, clean it up. Pretty decent job. I used about that much, not really a lot, so get loads for what you put on, what you get out of it. Can't get this black spot off, maybe with cotton wire, maybe. But yeah, just gonna do that one. So I've just finished them, not to the best standard. Loads clean. I can see the difference between where I've cleaned and not. I've not got a comparison of before when they were on the car and after they've cleaned up. But they should brighten up his rear end a bit more. But yeah, I'm going to start on my exhaust tip next. So I've got my Scorpion exhaust here. Just make out the logo there. Try and clean it up a bit more. Not sure whether to do the inside of there. It would look better if it was all shiny. Apologies if there's any wind noise. But yeah, there's the logo, just about make it out. I might use some Auto Finesse iron out to try and clean that up a bit better before I start polishing it, because try and get rid of most of the crap before I polish, make it easier. First thing I'm going to do is use some Auto Finesse iron out. It's like wheel cleaner, gets rid of loads of crap, and spraying this to try and get rid of some carbon. There we go. So next I'm going to try and polish it up now. So I've just finished polishing it. You can see that I've tried to get rid of most of the coat, which you can see is like pretty shiny the whole way through now. And then I've done the whole around the tops as well. I think it looks decent for like 10 to 15 minutes work. Mine was in such a state because it's a decat on it, Scorpion decat. But if you've got a sports cat, should look a little cleaner, I'm guessing. But yeah, I'm proud of that. 10 minutes work. Surprised I got all the coke off, to be honest. You can see that how shiny it is. You can see the glove. But yeah, 10 minutes work. I'll wash the car next, and then I do an exhaust clip and like kind of review. Yeah, so I'll do like a review on the exhaust system after I've washed it, do some clips, some drive-bys. I'll probably do a cold start now actually, so you can hear a cold start. So after doing that little launch, I did a tiny 11, they did a massive 1. Didn't even look, well, didn't even feel that good, but apparently it was. Still going. That must have been when I changed to second. And it stops about there. Quite a distance. So guys, I've had the system for about 7 months, I think. And the catback system cost $350, and the test pipe was £80, so about 450-ish quid. And then I was going to get the Scorpion manifold. I'm in 2 minds of keeping the car or flogging it, so I didn't commit. It's 350 on its own, so it would have been like £1,000 for the whole system. As you heard from the previous clips, it's got some character. It's not as loud, but it's pretty loud when I want it to be. Motorway droning is quite bad. When you're cruising in 5th gear with a 710, it can be quite droning. If there was a 6th gear, it'd probably be fine, but these lovely sheds, only for 5-speed would be plenty. For getting it fitted, I went to a local garage. That was 40 quid fitting. And then for your MOT, go to a friendly MOT garage. I do not endorse decats in the UK. This car is obviously fitted with a sports cat, as I'm on public roads.